In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a photo sticker to YouTube Shorts. Intro. Begin by opening up the YouTube app and start creating a short. You can record or upload one. I'm using this one that I've already made in the past. And then you essentially just need to end up on the editing screen. We can go ahead and tap stickers over on the right hand side. And you need to just go ahead and choose image. Now from here, you can go through, you can choose really whatever photo it is that you want, and then you can go ahead and move it around. I'm going to use this one, right, which was an example from a thumbnail that I was using. And look, I can put myself right inside of this watch if I time it perfectly, just like that, I guess. But yeah, you can, of course, move, resize, do whatever you need to do with the photo itself. And then, of course, you can always just tap on it to change its crop as well. But that is the full process. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. That is it. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.